See, the bigger picture is don't miss the prophecy at the end, right? Joshua declared that whoever tried to rebuild Jericho would do it at the cost of their children. And hundreds of years later, in the book of Kings, a man actually tried it. And his sons died, just like Joshua said. That's a warning. Some walls God knocks down are not to be rebuilt. Some habits, some relationships, some old versions of you, they need to stay buried in Jericho. If you try to resurrect them, it will cost you more